I'm going to push a nature cat into my locker. Ha 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 ha. Hi, nature cat.
Brian, Palacios has never talked to me. Today is my lunch day.
Okay, he's acting stupid. Now here's my chance to put him in my locker. In you go.
Oh no 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 no. Let me out right now.
No, I won't let you out. That's what you get for having a bad show. Stupid nature cat.
What did you call nature cat? Oh my god. Brian, how dare you push nature cat into your locker? That's it. I'm calling your parents.
No 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 no.
Hello, is this Mr. and Mrs. Palacios? Your son Brian pushed nature cat into his locker. Can you ground him? Thanks, bye.
Well, at least I'm safe for being punished.
Punished for what?
Oh, I was just kidding.
Kidding about pushing nature cat into your locker.
Oh my god, he knows, he knows, he knows.
That's right. You better stay in your room. Because you are grounded till nature cat gets renewed for a second season.